Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make your Windows computer automatically shut down on the particular time you have set. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the Windows Start icon and just click on it and just type your command prompt. As you can see here, the command prompt application, just click on it. Now on the command prompt you need to type some commands, so just type shutdown shutdown space dash s space dash t space. Now here you need to set the time, after what time you want to make your Windows computer automatically shut down. So here you need to set the time on the seconds. Say like if you want to set the time for after 1 minute you want to make your Windows computer automatically get shut down, then you need to type here 60. That means 60 seconds equals to 1 minute, right? So if you want to set it for like 10 minutes, then you can just add here 600 seconds, which is equal to the 10 minutes. So here I'll set it to a few seconds, like say I want to make my Windows computer shut down in 10 seconds. So let me put 10 seconds. So you can set depending upon your needs after how minutes or seconds you want to make your Windows computer shut down. So after typing this, I need to press the enter key on my Windows computer. So now once I hit enter, as you can see here, Windows will shut down in less than a minute. So you need to wait for a few seconds. So you can see here I've set it to 10 seconds, and now you can see my Windows computer is shutting down in the 10 seconds which I have set. So you can see here it's completely getting shut down in the respective time. So using this method you can make your Windows computer automatically shut down on the particular time you have set. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.